bridge near our house and watch the fireworks. We stand there all together and watch the colors explode in the sky. That bridge brought me so much joy.
Before Jamie went missing, my happiest times were at the beach with my kids. So that's where I considered doing it on the first anniversary of his kidnapping.
In the concert venue where I had my first kiss.
The day that I got kidnapped, I was supposed to meet my friend at another park. And that park was my favorite because I had the best wings. You couldn't tell me I wasn't flying. And my friend got sick, and I ended up at the park where Sir took me. Anyway, my favorite park.
I'll pass.
Where was the place that brought Samson joy?
Samson dreamt about buying an RV.
Samson had that little model RV.
Yeah, but Samson didn't have an RV, so whose RV and where? Can't go with me. If anyone knows where Samson's favorite RV is, then her own spot in Samson half a mile away. Yeah, I got it.